Red flag, red flag. Be careful buying properties with over 65-year-old exemptions. I didn't say don't buy. I'm saying be careful. The best way to describe this is with an example. You're buying a house from little old Myrtle. She's 80s. And you're buying this house in October. Say it's October 2020. Her tax bill's $400 or $500. If she didn't have the over 65, it'd be $4,000. Okay. All right. All you get for tax prorations is $400. All right. You still own that house on January the 1st, January the 2nd. You still own it. And the big bad mean wolf down at the taxing authorities figured out that Miss Myrtle don't own this house anymore. Big bad investor does. And they change your taxes from $400 to $4,000. Good luck fighting it. I'm over 600. I'm over 56, whatever it is. I'm over. So what we try to do is we try to get the non-prorated, we get the non-exempt proration values when we buy it, so we get the full tax amount. Now, honestly, you may get some pushback. You may not be able to do it. They may object, and then you got to make a business decision. But a lot of times you get the full tax prorations. Okay, and we're talking some big money here. How do I know all this? You know, I got the battle scars. You know, got $400 and had to pay $4,000. Okay, that's how I know it. Okay, so I did not say don't buy them. I'm saying be careful.